Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I got a question today about 26H2 that will come in the second half of this year. And the questions have to do with, will my PC still be compatible with 26H2 if I'm running 25H2? And also, he's got one PC that's on unsupported hardware. And he wants to know, will 26H2 work on unsupported hardware? So to answer all of these questions, of course, 26H2 is being tested in the Windows Insider rings. This is a version that will come later this year at some point, anywhere from, August to October. So what is the minimum requirements? The same. So there aren't really any changes Microsoft has brought to 26H2 to compare to 25H2. So any PCs running 24H2, 25H2 are running 26H2. There's absolutely no problem there. Another question is about the size. It's going to be very small because the features are already being implemented within Windows 11. So we already have some of them, including the Windows updates that you can pause indefinitely. For example, there's going to be all sorts of new features that, of course, are coming to. So here's the calendar where you pick a date. There's going to be also all sorts of new options, including the recovery options. We're going to have point-in-time restore. We're going to have also what we were seeing yesterday. The day before, I made a video about this new feature of cloud reset or cloud download for recovery. It's a little bit like a cloud reset. And many other things, including, new taskbar features, including the way to put the taskbar whatever you want on the screen, in the menus, and a lot more. But these will already be on the system, so you won't have to download anything that changes Windows. It's simply going to be, and they say it, an enablement package, which will be very small update. They're saying that it's going to be like a few hundred kilobytes. It's going to be really, really small. In fact, what you're going to download is an on-off switch for features and a change in the version number to 26H2. It's as simple as that. So that is all going to work. As for unsupported hardware, it will work. There is no indication that anything changed. So you're running unsupported hardware maybe on 24H2 and you're thinking, okay, I'm going to have to move on. Well, of course, you know that to upgrade on a new version of Windows 11 unsupported, you will have to reinstall Windows with the new version. So you'll have to reinstall with 26H2 and it will work fine and you'll continue having updates. If you upgrade unsupported hardware to 26H2, you'll have 2 years. So you'll have it until a theoretical 28H2 to continue using it. So things are going to be okay. And yep, unsupported hardware will be fine. So all of these things coming a little later this year for all of you out there. So no problems, no changes in minimum requirements. And yes, unsupported hardware will be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.